if it's allowed to, if we made a three-faced after blessing for fruit and mesonot, and we eat again a fruit without a blessing, it's okay, or it was mandatory to say?
No, can you describe the situation again? It's not clear. What was the situation?
For example, I eat rice. Before the rice, I ate a couple of apples, and then I made the after blessing. And after making this after blessing, I eat an apple again without a blessing.
No. 1 second. So, okay. So let me try to answer this question properly, because there are a few situations, so we have to look at it. So first, it's not what you asked, but I need to mention it. So first, we have to remember not to put ourselves in situation when you need now to make a blessing, extra blessing. So, and if you're planning to eat more, so don't say the after blessing. But if you did not plan to eat more, and then you decided to eat more, that's a different story. So a person ate 2 apples, then he had this, right, so he said blessing on 2 apples, Baruch fruit of the tree. And then he said blessing on the rice, right? Let's say he had rice with vegetables, let's say, right? So he said Baremine Mizonas on rice. So, but after that he said Barene Fashos for all of it. It's covered. So after you say blessing after the food, that's it. So this the first blessing stopped working. That's it. It's expired. So even though it was like I don't know 3 minutes after you said it, so you ate like small apple, whatever you ate quickly, right? So yeah, that blessing expired. And if you decided to eat another apple, so you would need to say the separate blessing for sure. But initially, if a person is planning to eat the extra, don't make the after blessing, because it could be bracha v'lavtala. Like it's not v'lavtala. It's like I don't remember the exact expression. Like you cause the situation to be the way that you now is obligated to say extra blessing. That's the thing.
But if the other apples that I eat after that are in my side, are not covered?
No, if you say after blessing, that's it. The blessing stopped. You understand? So if you say after blessing, so for example, I don't want to confuse you. I don't want to confuse you. No, if you say after blessing, the blessing, the initial blessing is stopped. So don't say after blessing. For example, if you're going to sit there and eat like every half an hour, you're going to eat 1 apple, there is no problem. So don't say the after blessing until you finish, or until you say, you know what, for now I'm good. Maybe I'm going to say to have another apple 1 hour from now. That's it. So you say after blessing, and maybe if you change your mind and you had the next apple 5 minutes later, there is no problem. You can eat you say before blessing, and you can eat the apple.
So even if I had intention of eating an apple later on, it is expired anyway?
If you say after blessing, after the food, that's what makes it expire. But if you did not say blessing after the food, after whatever you ate, it did not expire. So if you were in this same room for a few hours, okay, you went to the restroom, you were here and there, but basically in the same area, so the blessing did not expire. But the story started that you said, I'm going with your story, with your detail. You said you ate 2 apples, rice, and you say after blessing. So that's it. The blessing stopped. So that's okay. But if you ate these apples and rice, and you decided to eat more apples that were in front of you, for sure they're covered. There is no doubt about it.